Hey, we're in Makati. And when I have this at the back of my hand, that means we're in Watson's or in a makeup shit. I'm with the financer. Angas. You can't see, I know. Souffle. And the sister is paying because I'm broke AF. Girl, oh my god, you should try my matcha. Girl, it's the best. You know why? Grabe, I'm an oat milk girly now. Smell. Grabe girl, yung oat milk ng outside. Girl, alam mo, I've tried oat milk. Of course, I've tried other substitute milks. Pero hindi nga, feeling ko pa rin keme. Pero yung outside.
Oo, masarap nga yun.
Kaya kaso ang scary because yung canola oil. Para maging thick.
Ang scary din, nakita ko sa TikTok. Oat milk, baka yung mga ano dito. Yung sa bigas yung ganun.
Kaya nga, basically, pinagbabara ng oat. She is on a hunt for, what are you trying to find? A Korean beer.
So different.
I'll go to the milk section first. Friends, this is so sad. There is no outside. No outside. Friends, there's no outside. Girl, grabe. Kanina, tinanong ko pa si Kuya kung yung kanina ko lang tinitingnan yung milk. Oo daw. Tapos pagtingin ko. Oh my God, girl! It's here! Goods are secured. The only thing that I want here. And now we're trying to find our sister. Girl, paano ako mag-commute?
Ay, sa brewery lang.
Ate mo. Girl, this is so good. Girl, buy him
Ano
this.
yan, alak?
Please, yeah. KKKKK. Ah! So fun! We are in Nitori. And I wanna check sister. And gusto kong i-chika kay Ninya Girl na sobrang ganda ng mga unan dito. Grabe, Ninya Girl. I know you're watching this, Ninya Girl. The unans here are rare. We are going to Zara because I'm influencing my sister to buy the Zara X Jo Malone perfume. Let's see if she'll buy. Ito ba yung bet ko? Examination error. Money shot. Yes po, sir. So, we are in Makati because the sister is here. The sister is here because she... She applied for Korean visa. It is her first time to go out of the country! Oh my God. So, the sister is going to Korea and I haven't applied for my visa yet. Gusto ko rin sumama.
Sumama ka natin.
Choco ang laman. Yup. The sister is paying. That is the perks of being the youngest.
I have a new pen that my mom will get.
Hey! We are... Girl, ang wala. Anyway, we are at Starbucks because the sister is charging. She needs to sit and charge her phone. Saka siya babiyahe papuntang Cavite. So that's the tea. She ordered the maple cocoa needs oat milk ice shake and espresso. And of course, I have my very own recipe. My bestest matcha. So I did not order. Next stop.
Wala naman tayong tubig. Dito eh.
This is the only thing that I want to try. Taste testing Ferrero Reyes.
Mag-downhill. Strawberry field. Natin siya. Magawakan pa eh. Pagawin mo yung minawakan mo na yun. Cappuccino. I don't like